Joanne Banko. I've got a quick tip for you today to use an invisible, concealed, hidden zipper in a great looking silk dupioni clutch bag. So what I've got here is the zipper opening up to give you a whole half side of the purse. Sewing in a concealed zipper is really easy when you have the right foot. So I've got the foot attached to it, and it's called concealed because when you are finished, you can see from the purse that the zipper teeth hide in the seam, and all you see is the tab. So when you're shopping for your zipper, make sure you take a look at what color the tab is. That's what's really going to show, and that's what you want to match to your fabric. Now we're going to set up the machine. So I've got the concealed zipper foot on. I am going to select a center needle straight stitch. Very, very, very important, because if the needle is not in the center, it could possibly hit the foot. Once I've done that, I will take my zipper, and the first step is to actually press those coils flat. So let me show you how this zipper, when it opens, these coils are rolled to the inside. So you go to your iron, you make sure it's set for sensitive temperature, and you literally press that coil flat. That's the first step. Then you line up the coil with the seam line, because that's what's going to roll in when you're finished and close up the seam. Then we're going to take it over. We've got our foot already on the machine. We've got the center needle straight stitch selected, and we want to line it up so that our groove on the bottom of the foot is riding right along those teeth. And right down the line, I'm going to sew this side. If you look at it, I like to baste my zipper in first, and to me that's just easier than putting in pins. You could use some of the special glue tapes. There's lots of different ways you can do that. All right, so I've got one side stitched. I would stitch the other side the exact same way. You can see I've done that on this one. I've got both sides stitched. Now it's time to finish it. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to switch feet, because we no longer are sewing the concealed zipper part. We're going to switch to a standard zipper foot, and we're going to snap that on. We still want the center needle straight stitch, because a zipper of this type is open on the bottom. So now we're just going to go ahead and close up our seam. Get that foot snapped on tight there. And from the direction where we stopped, that's where we want to start. And we go right down the line. So it's very easy. We've got free instructions for you. Visit the website and you'll learn how to do your own concealed zipper, make a beautiful clutch, pair it with the dress, have a great evening out.